Hey guys, I got some questions about the exact size of the trunk. So I will do some measurements for you. As you can see exactly here that this is about 123 centimeters, and in this part the trunk is about 100 centimeters wide. At the trunk floor it's, as you can see, about 95. And for those who have to carry child seats, we'll do some measurements in the back seat. I will show you now. I'm now sitting in my back seat, and as you can see, I hope the camera can focus, it's from door panel to door panel, it's about 135 centimeters.